So hello guys, welcome back to my brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix YouTube not your working problem solved. So step number 1, at first you have to check your data once. If it is not on, then please turn it on. After this, come to the Play Store, search for YouTube, YouTube, and make sure that your YouTube app should be updated. So if it is not updated, then update now. And after doing all this, come to the setting once and search for app management, and tap in this app list. After coming this app list, search for YouTube. So after getting this YouTube, press in the forward stop. After that, come to the storage users and clear this both, clear cache and clear data. After clearing these two, come to the permissions, storage, and make sure that your app should be allowed. And after doing this, again come to the setting once, type for software update. So guys, here make sure that your software update should be updated. So guys, after updating this, if it is not working still, then switch off your mobile once and please turn it on. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Thank you.